Alright, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got something really exciting. It's from Modusworks. As you guys saw from the title, it's more spinners. So this is my current Thinamathing V2 in stainless steel, the bar version. And then this is the copper version. So now, I'm going to be unboxing the tries in copper, brass, and stainless steel. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with this one. Alright, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna open it off camera because there's my address right in front of it. One more second. There we go. I'm gonna put these off to the side for a second. Okay. I always love the way Jonas packages his stuff. It's like attached to the actual box and stuff. Alright, so this is the brass machine finish try. We're gonna open up this first. That's trash. Alright, here we go. 9/7/23 brass Thinamathing V2 try. Machine finish. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this thing. Alright, here we go. Gonna put this off to the side for now. So you get a bag, a Modusworks sticker. Alright. Here we go. Super excited. Got some good weight to it. Wow. Now that's nice. Oh, wow. What a spinner. Oh my god. I mean, just wow. This thing is so balanced, spins so nice. This is just amazing. Of course, you'll get some patina over time, but just take a look at this little golden nugget. Machine finish is so nice. The bearing is very nice. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. There you go. Nice machine finish. You can just see those machine lines. It's so nice. There we go. Thinamathing V2 try, made in USA, number 54. Then these are the buttons. It's got some dirt on them. Stuff. Yeah, this is amazing. This is so balanced. Like, I've never had anything so balanced before. This is just amazing. All right, let me get the weight for you guys of this thing. My guess, 85. Let's see if I'm right. Oh, it's not. 83, pretty damn close. And just so you guys know, as weight comparison for the bars, it is 61 for the stainless steel, 61, yeah, 61, and then 70 for the copper. Yeah, this is gold. Jonas, if you're watching this, you knocked it out of the park with this one. Doesn't make any sound when it's spinning. Well, that's because of the bearing. You can easily make it sound like this. So yeah. This has a full starting bearing in it, so that's why. But this is the stock bearing. So yeah, quiet. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. This thing is amazing. If you can score one, definitely do. This thing is really, really balanced. It's amazing. All right, well, that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys check out the Modusworks page down below. I will leave a link, and also check out our channel sponsors down below as well. And yeah, use my code Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order. And see you guys in the next one.